Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to check your Raise gift card balance in 2025. If you've got a gift card from Raise, that marketplace for buying and selling discounted gift cards, you know how handy they can be. But let's face it, keeping track of the balance can be a bit of a hassle until now. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it in under a minute. First things first, make sure you have your gift card details handy. You'll need the card number and any PIN if it's required. Start by grabbing your phone or computer and heading over to the Raise website. That's raise.com, easy to remember. Once you're there, look for the Gift Cards or My Account section. If you're a first-time user, you might need to create an account, but don't worry, it's straightforward and free. Step 1. Log in to your Raise account. Enter your email and password, or use any social media logins if available. If you don't have an account yet, sign up quickly, it's worth it for tracking multiple cards. Once logged in, navigate to the My Gift Cards dashboard. This is where all your purchased or added cards are listed. Step 2. Select the specific gift card you want to check. Click on it, and you'll see options to view details. Most of the time, the balance will pop up right away, but if it's from a partnered retailer, you might need to verify it through their system. For example, if it's a Walmart or Amazon card sold on Raise, Raise will redirect you or show the updated balance directly. Now, if you're using the Raise mobile app, which is even more convenient in 2025 with its updated interface, the process is identical. Download the app from your app store if you haven't already, log in, and go straight to your gift card list. The app often updates balances in real time, so it's super accurate. One quick tip. If you're having trouble, double-check that your card is activated and not expired. Raise usually handles this, but it's good to confirm. And remember, balances can change if the card is used elsewhere, so check regularly. There you have it. That's how you check your Raise gift card balance in 2025. It's simple, fast, and keeps you in control of your money. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.